Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to create a few columns layout in Notion. By default, Notion has a single column layout. It means that we just type text in rows like this. But if you would like to have 2 columns, 3 columns, or even more, you can easily do it, and I will show you several ways how to approach this. So first of all, if let's say we have this text in 2 rows and we want to place it in 2 columns. The first way you can do this is by dragging the text to the place on the sheet on the document where you would like it to be. So you need to hover over the text and you see this 6 dots icon to the left. Go to this 6 dots icon and wait until the cursor turns into this arm or palm and just click the left mouse button and move it to the side, like to the right, for example. You see now you have the text placed in 2 columns, but the problem is that it is like the area where the text is placed is quite narrow, and the line breaks would probably happen quite often, and the document will be quite long in this case. So we can definitely fix it as well. Again, hover over text and wait until the cursor turns into this double arrow icon. Then left mouse click, and then after that just drag this control to the side, again to the left in this case. In this particular case we can drag it either to the right or to the left, so you can just use these controls to place the text and the columns as to make the size of the columns whatever you like. So that was the first approach, when we just drag the text to the necessary place in the document. And the second approach is when we can use a specific command to create a few columns layout. So what we can do, we can type slash and then 2 columns, 2 columns, for example, in the block. And now you can have automatically 2 columns layout. The same we can do, for example, for 3 columns and for many more, in fact. Let's check. Column 2, column 3. What is important when you go out from the block, like by hitting enter, for example, well, not in this case, but quite, let me check, when you place a cursor and click, one row underneath, it returns you to the original one single column layout. But if we hit enter, then when we hit enter from one of the columns, I guess, then we definitely stay in the same layout. But then if you would like to change layout back to a single column, you can just go and mouse click 1 row below your column layout. So that's how you can create a few columns layout in Notion. Pretty simple, I guess. Thanks for watching.